Yo guys, it's your boy Wolf Weston. Today I'm gonna be playing with some cool green slime. Now as you see, Dolphin King 107 has been doing a lot of videos. He's checking on his slime and stuff. And I guess his slime has been getting worse. And now actually wait a second guys. Okay, I got what I need. And guys, I need to call Dolphin King because I have his number. Because we still are, but we used to live in the same. We used to both live in California. And now he lives in Arizona. So guys, this is my slime. Oh gosh, it won't come off. Some people are probably sitting there like, yo, so stupid. Really, I'm not. This is the only fill I've ever done once in my life. I swear. Let me grab something, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, I should have put it on this. Oh crap. It's getting stuck to my clothes and everything. Guys, right here. I shouldn't have done this. This is the biggest fail of my whole entire life. Guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Comment down below. Hashtag slime fail. Well, now there's no turning back, huh? Alright, guys. Well, some slime has to go to waste. You can't keep slime forever anyways. Dolphin King 107 sure is trying to do that, but I think his slime's getting a little worse. He's gonna have to throw it away soon. I'm not being mean, Dolphin King, but kind of is getting a little off. Now, this is my slime. It's literally now stuck to this. And my nice jacket. Wait a second, guys. Oh my gosh. Hashtag jacket slime fail. Comment that too. Guys, today's just a big fail. And my brother's playing with Flarp. And yeah, so okay guys, so I just had to turn it off while I got my jacket off. So I'm gonna be playing with my slime in this video. Well, at least it's more fluffy. Let's see how stretchy this thing is. Now, I'm not going to give you a tutorial until I get white school glue because the first time it was a fail and then it was really hard for my mom to make this because, well, me and her kind of worked together. I had to give her the glue and we got you guys, I'm going to do a tutorial maybe a little bit, not too long, maybe a little long, but like I'm gonna do a tutorial. And you actually put shaving cream in it and it'll be so fluffy. You can go watch that on YouTube. Actually, pause this video right now, go on your computer unless you're watching your video on your computer, or just go onto your phone. If you're watching this on your computer, go onto your phone and type in what happens if you make slime with shaving cream. Right now, pause this video, If you're watching it on your computer, go to your phone. If you're watching it on your phone, go to a computer. If you don't have a computer, then you're just sad. That's just sad. Oh crap. Let's see. Let's see how fast this drips. Whoa. Not too fast. If that was an alien light, that would be the slowest thing on earth. Everyone would be able to run. If it was catching cows, they'd be gone in 2 seconds. Like, which one's gonna fall first? See, this one seems. Oh, 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 oh! And that one touches first. Let's see how long it takes for this one. Oh, now it's going fast, baby. 3 balls, come on, man. Look at my fingers. OMG. Peace, people. Oh, crud. I have to keep this on the table for a limited time because I don't want it to stay on my mom's table and my dad, since it's time for the lesson that you guys probably wanted to see this to the end. Oh my gosh, this is the end. Guys, I'm gonna rip this. It's a madman. You can really get a workout out of this. Just keep ripping. Just keep ripping. Oh, and the more. Hi guys. Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And do notifications for me. Won't you please do notifications? And if it looks like I'm staring at you, I am so sorry. But guys, I'll see you in the next video. So, bye!